In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add links and images to a Weebly blog post. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign into your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website that contains your blog. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Click Pages from the top menu, then select your blog page. Open the blog post you want to edit or create a new post if needed. To add a link to text, highlight the word or sentence you want to make clickable. Click the link icon in the text toolbar, choose website URL and enter or paste the web address. Save the link to apply it. To add an image, drag an image element into your blog post or click an existing image to replace it. Upload the image from your computer or choose one from your media library. If you want the image to link to another page or website, click the image, select the link option, choose website URL and enter the destination URL. The image will now be clickable. Preview your blog post to make sure the links and images work as expected. When you're happy with the result, publish your website or your blog post to make the changes live. That's how to add links and images to a Weebly blog post. Thanks for watching.